So 4-3 part 2, there's the EQ. This is mimicking what we did in Desmos yesterday. The square root, the difference between square root and cube root is, well, it's like one is half the coordinate plane and the other is the whole thing. You can also see that this is something we didn't talk about yesterday, but something you will be responsible for answering on the homework, is the domain and range. You see how the square root function, it cuts off, the domain and range starts at the origin. So basically I'm going to tell you right now, boys and girls, whatever h and k are, wherever the anchor point is for the square root function, those are the numbers it's going to go in for your domain and range. Any cube root function, doesn't matter what the anchor is, any cube root function, because this is strictly increasing, the domain and range for both those is always going to be all real numbers. Okay, so really quick, again, put down your pencils, boys and girls. I'll give you a moment after I stop the video. Here is a very long definition for what A and what H and what K are. We've talked about this numerous times. I decided to write this out in several words. A does a stretch, shrink, or flip. H is a horizontal translation. It lies because it's being subtracted. It's the number attached to the inside the radical. It's attached to the x. And the k is the number outside by itself. It's being added, so it just translates it up and down. And here is the general form, just so you know where to find the a, h, and k, and what the index is. Okay? All right, let me cut and